Do you think a camera can only record? Wrong. It can detect intrusions, recognize license plates, monitor parking spots, and even see clearly in complete darkness. ACTi's latest breakthroughs, the VMGB-410 and A429, are not just cameras. They are AI-powered security tools engineered specifically for factories, parking lots, and traffic control. Are you ready for a total upgrade? First, let's talk about the most fundamental yet critical aspect, image quality. The VMGB-410 and A429 are equipped with a large E/1.8 sensor, capturing crystal clear footage even in the darkest environments. With a minimum color illumination of just 0.0005 lux, and B/W down to 0.0001 lux, plus 0 lux capability with IR, visibility is never a problem. The E50 dB wide dynamic range ensures stable imaging under harsh backlight conditions, like factory entrances, nighttime parking lots, or tunnels. Supporting simultaneous video streams and up to 20 FPS at Full HD, this is professional-grade imaging at its best. Next up, we present their second powerhouse feature, AI-based physical security and vehicle analytics. ACTi's VMGB-410 and A429 feature built-in AI to detect people and vehicles, line crossing, zone entry exit, vehicle counting, and detailed vehicle attribute recognition, including type, color, brand, and direction. Most impressively, the LPR system supports high-speed capture, up to 120 km front-facing, and 180 km side view, covering up to 8 lanes at once. Ideal for factory entrances, traffic checkpoints, and parking facilities, total coverage, no blind spots. And here's the final feature every parking operator will love, ACTi's dual-mode smart parking AI. It simultaneously captures both license plate and vehicle images for accurate access records. In distant view mode, it can monitor up to 40 spaces, detect parking duration, trigger overtime alerts, and even issue voice prompts. In close view mode, it focuses on 4 individual spaces with detailed LPR and timeout monitoring. With a built-in mic and speaker for two-way communication, it's perfect for parking lots, transport hubs, and factory lots, boosting efficiency and saving patrol manpower. If you're looking to upgrade your security system for factories, parking lots, or traffic control, now is the time. Contact ACTi and experience the AI revolution brought by VMGB-410 and A429, powerful, cost-effective, and ready to elevate your entire security strategy.